Kubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Looms Hopo near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi. Nginwan ra mangi hakerdog ying jongpi.
The update for COVID-19 as of today, the 9th of August 2021. The number of new cases is 187. The covered cases today is 479. The total number of active cases is 4,734. And the number of deaths as reported today is 11.
After receiving all the inputs from all concerned district administration and also from all concerned stakeholders, as far as religious worshipping places is concerned, I would like to tell you that the government has decided to reopen up the religious worshipping places in the state of Meghalaya with effect from 16 August 2021, and the capacity of these churches gathering should not be more than 1/3 strength. Kabenta kabaar kemisim ya karai nakaliang jong sorkar. Hakawedei bat kajing ya tho syong kurim. Ha ki balang ki niam ki baper. Ki baju penlong ya kini ki jing ya tho. Ha ki ying mani ki jongki. Ka sorkar kalasyak banle kumta. Hakitu ki jaka mani belai ki baper bat yakaniru nginsya nudu ka khatn riu trik ubnai bopra ar hajar ar powe yaka SOP kabidei bat kini kirai ki bangisim na ka sorkar artli kabadei bat kaya tho songkurim bat kaba aru ya kabadei bat ki jaka mani belai ban lejiaseng yakani ngin sapenmi yakan notification hakini ki kendiat sengi bat rengkat kitu ki protocols kum mangijule mensyem-snem tam ka bangakerpat nakaliang ke sorkar ya porok ki religious leaders different denominations bakin sengau bah ya kaban boot perking yakini ki SOPs ki baka sorkar kan sapenmi ha kini ki kendiat sengi ki banwan don katut kan itli ki rai ki milasim nakaliang jong sorkar hak bedei bat ki jaka mane blei ki jaka long jiaseng ki babaro sikata ngimsya te menta kejanmet hadin benglayo ya ki report na borok ki deputy commissioners bat kumjuru na ka jingkerpat jong ki sengniam ki baper ka sorkar kalasim ya karai ba nginsya no ban play ya kini ki jaka maniblay nadu ka khatn riu trik ubnai August ar hajar ar powe tamba ka capacity ka jingwan syakini ki jaka ban maneblei kamdei ban palat ya ka 1/3 na ka jingdon jong kitu khot halaki jong ki denomination yakani baro komopi srebingla play yake ying mani kabamut kala hat lang baro ko janta Habangila play ya yang mana kejebut kalau bangila kelahap lang lut baru anta tang baya ke detail protokol skum mangau pi namangila isu menciam sedem pi ong sapang ke baptism pi ong sakaya tho pi ong ya ki benta ki baper ki balong reudkhot lana pi ong ya ke engagement kata baru komoti kan ngin suara da ka SOP hakaba ki balang baper ki sengniam ki baper kin but renti ya kata ka SOP ka bangin sa permission hakini ki kendiat sini ya ka reception beda hakaji atho hadu mentangin nempat syak bahkan don ke reception whatever wherever or if you talk about livelihood of people we really wanted to do that but taking into consideration the alarming increase of the positivity, which is still very, very grim, we cannot take a decision only in one go. So, step by step, and then we watch, we observe, and at the same time, we really wanted, as I said to you, from the government side, to bring back things to normal at the earliest possible. Kemau pi sering ngelak play ya kayeng mani. Kabamut kelahap lang baru kau janta. Habangila play ya kayeng mani kejebut kalau bangila kelahap lang lut baru anta. Tang baya ke detail protokol skum mangau pi namangila isu menciam sedem. Pi ong sapang ke baptism, pi ong sakaya tho, pi ong ya ki benta ki baper ki balong reudkhot. Lana pi ong ya ke engagement kata baru komau pi kan ngin suara da ka SOP hakaba ki balang baper ki sengniam ki baper kin but renti ya kata ka SOP ka bangin sa permission hakini ki kendiat sini te ngakerpat yang ini ki concern private vehicle owners sengau bahaya syak sitom bat ke surkar ya kan niru nilai discuss bene te kemo opi ngipek kat kum ka jia joka kes ban ngin persan kat bala ban warna biang syakan normal si kumong opi kata kata kijing andut jeng ini surkar tang bahak ke joko por ke jingkerpat pada kalomba kidai ban sumar bahak dalade yalade ban ngan ban biang sisin kabengila ban yada kumba kalong menta haka perthai barokawai kadai ke vaccination kadai ke injection lene kadai ke tika ladangi lapoi namat kumba kalong mentangi dak poi 100% hadu 100% ke vaccination drive ke ngidep hadu menta ke sengi kalong kumba 100% tuna kendiat kesoi sim 100%. Te kebasa menta kalong sa saupo kan persen sa sekarang 100 means another 50 around 54%. There's still a long way to go. But naka team jongka health department neki department ki baper haki block level hadu ki village level ka ka bangi tracy tom kalong banten sutu i brio nagada ngong pikatu ka CCMT ka COVID committee management team jong kisnong gitau mentangin ya persang kat bala bandon ke jingi trei rengkat batki lapi ong ya ke vaccination lani lapi ong ya ka ban yada yu ni knyang jingpang jing spread uni knyang jingpang kumno bingin le ya kanir ni discuss pamne hapok review meeting bangi hap ban ya trei lang rengkat bat kini ki borsnong ki bortau kum mengile ha uni usnem mubladet. And today we have asked the education department to give us the presentation what is the modality for opening up of schools or colleges or university. That will be taken up in the next maybe few days or few weeks. Why should I react the opposition? But let me just tell you from the government side, we are honest. We are here to make sure the safety of the citizens of the state. That is our priority. I don't listen whether you object it, whether you oppose it, whether you criticize it. We welcome all. But let me just tell you once again, team of health department, till today, they hardly sleep. Any person who just alleges that, I think please understand, don't demoralize or DHS don't demoralize our doctors up to the PhD level, and then don't demoralize our nurses up to the sub-center level, and please don't demoralize our Ashas, Anganwadi, who work so hard without sleep, and just to criticize that the government has given up. I think that is not the end of the story. So I would request everybody, be it opposition, be it Congress, be it NPP, be it any party, let us work jointly. And I am here to accept the suggestions, views submitted by all concerned. We are here to listen, and we are here also to implement those suggestions submitted by different concerned stakeholders.